Whether you have your high-performance supercar, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, McLaren, all those great vehicles, it's probably the case you have a daily driver. And what is a better daily driver than a B58 powered X7? Welcome back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Today, it's a very busy day, very busy Friday here at the shop, but we have a newer X7 here at the shop, and we put our full Catback exhaust on. It's a free-flow unrestricted system. The car has the factory downpipe still installed, and it runs back unrestricted all the way back. And with those valves open, you're getting a very nice aggressive sound. With the valves closed, it is perfect for hauling the kids around and enjoying the daily activities. In this video today, startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, and you guys are gonna get to sit with Shane and I inside the cabin and enjoy what is the perfect daily driver. This thing is quite large, but the dynamics are very impressive, as is this exhaust setup. As we know here at Valvetronic Designs, whether this is your only car or you happen to have your other super sports car that's got Valvetronic on it, we want to deliver the ultimate experience to enthusiasts so that there is no compromise. Let's get to the sound, guys. Here we go. People, were inside what could be the best daily driver. Much like our X5 B58 exhaust we recently displayed on video, this exhaust has a similar type of excitement even at low RPMs. 18 miles an hour, third gear. Whoa!
That's nice.
Oh, that used to be my car, man. When I started everything about my automotive adventure, I started with a 2012 N55 black sapphire over coral red E92 335 X-Drive automatic.
Good car.
It's just a car. I wish that car, unfortunately, I sold it to a guy, then he immediately crashed it. But that's unfortunate. He was okay though too. But enough of negativity. Positivity. This X7 really has a much more exciting sound when you compare this setup to the factory. I mean, 30 miles an hour, fourth gear. I mean, I'm traveling at the speed limit and you get a nice amount of bass and excitement behind you. Again, the Valvetronic setup comes with a separate valve controller, allowing you to control loud and quiet separate from the Sport and Sport Plus buttons. So you can have this exciting sound and you don't necessarily need to do a downpipe or other modifications to get it, because the system allows you to keep it open all the time, even when you're in comfort mode. So I'm in comfort right now. You can see on the screen there, still in comfort. And you still get, like, I'll do a little acceleration here, still get all that sound, which is nice. So all the driving dynamics can be comfortable, but you get a nice aggressive sound, which is fun. Of course, fitting with the Valvetronic theme, guys, you guys know this. With the valves closed, I mean, genuinely, you would never expect anything out of this car. You could even have this system with the downpipe or other modifications if you wanted to femto unlock the car, which is fucking outrageous. But if you wanted to do that modification with a downpipe, you can have this exhaust, and it's still super quiet and reserved when you need it to be. So driving in comfort mode, you know, out of sport, it just sounds like it's a bone stock X7 in here, which is nice. That's how we like to do it. We're gonna get the car warmed up here. We'll open up the valves and just enjoy the interior experience, because it's very enjoyable in here. Very nice and smooth. I like it. What's funny is this engine sounds different from the new B58, like the 2025, the LCIs. I think with the electric assist, Those cars for some reason have different exhaust manifold. I'm not sure, but this thing really sounds quite nice, and so do the new B58s as well.
Whoa, the shift sound was cool.
Yeah, the shift sounds good. On throttle sound is really good.
Yeah.
Let's see, viewers, how many snaps in a row we can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anybody who's watching this video right now, I hope that you realize you're watching an exhaust video for an X7. Like, how lucky are you? You get to have an X7. I mean, there are so many people out there that we see every day who will not be as fortunate as you to maybe even A, watch this video, or B, have the opportunity to get I think a very expensive, very nice exhaust system for their $80,000 daily driver. Isn't that crazy?
More excited.
One of the cool things about our exhaust compared to others that are out there is when the valves are closed, the muffler casing is very dense. So it's quieter than stock even if you have the stock downpipe. But if you put a free flow downpipe on the car and you have the valves closed on a cold start, it's actually just as quiet as the stock exhaust with the factory downpipe. The large muffler casing works better when there's actually more flow through it. It dampens the sound more. So if you want to take this system and add a downpipe, you'll be in great shape. Here's what it sounds like on the flybys. is the B58 cranked up a good amount. The vehicle is raising. I didn't know that this had adaptive suspension. But anyways, this is quite the perfect daily driver. And now with this exhaust setup, you do get a much more flavorful, exciting exhaust experience. Whether you're rolling around and it's your daily driver and you're cruising at low speeds with those valves open to enjoy a nice experience with a lot of depth, this is the exhaust setup for you. Or if you want to close the valves and go 80 miles an hour down the, excuse me, no, we would never condone speeding. 65 miles an hour down the highway, relaxed, have your kids in the car. It's the best configuration out there. Whether you want to combine this with the stock downpipe, like you see in this video, or with a free flow downpipe, we've got you covered for the best sound out there. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll catch you guys in the next B58 exhaust improvement video or beyond. Looking forward to seeing you guys then. Thanks so much.